Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm a hairstylist in Wilmington, North Carolina, and I'm here to talk about how to make hair color last longer. Your best bet as far as protecting your investment, especially if you've had professional color done, is to use a good moisturizing shampoo and conditioner that you buy from a salon and keep a supply of this, especially when you're coloring your hair. The conditioned hair is going to create a stronger support for hair color. If your hair is dry or brittle, your hair color is more likely to literally just leach right out of the follicle, or not the follicle, I'm sorry, the cuticle. The other way you can do this is to protect your hair color is to use a shampoo for color treated hair. This one is a ginger root color depositing shampoo. In our case, our model would use this on a regular basis whenever she shampoos, and it will keep the hair color slightly tinted. It will coat each strand with a little bit of color every time she shampoos. Another thing you can do is stay out of the sun with your hair. Wear a hat or a scarf if you're out in the sun a lot. The sun will bleach out hair and create a really dry condition for hair. You can also use a clear color gloss after your hair color service. It serves as almost like a clear coat that kind of seals in the color, the creative color that you've had done, and it is also insurance against losing that pretty hair color that you've just spent so much money to have done. So, to make hair color last, plenty of good conditioner, stay out of the sun, and shampoos and conditioners for color treated hair.